Welcome to the virtual awards ceremony for Unity Christian Academy. Every year on this day, I look back and can't believe that another school year has come and gone. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to our parents, grandparents, family members, and friends for helping to make this a successful year at UCA. Our goal here at UCA is to come alongside you as the family and your local church in helping to educate and cultivate your child's soul. We could not do this without you, so again, we just want to say thank you for being involved in your child's education.
Students who achieved A honor roll are Megan Jensen, Cameron Minks, Jacob Pilgreen, Kate Riley, and Brianna Wiggins. Students who achieved AB honor roll this year are Colin Barefoot, Logan Barker, Adam Crisp, Lucas Cutler, Jordan Dixon, Alex Grun, Reagan Harris, Emma Hazelden, Faith Jones, Jake Kazimchek, Caitlin Lynch, and Bryce Waters. The coveted award of perfect attendance goes to Jake Kazimchek.
Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Stone and I would like to recognize the students who participated in Student Council this year. Our lower school representatives were 2nd grade Hannah Willis, 3rd grade Zoe Robinson, 4th grade Colin Crocker, 5th grade Cody Simpson, and 6th grade Auburn Sadler. Our 7th and 8th grade representative was Savannah Gruen, high school representative Lucas Cutler, secretary treasurer Kate Riley, vice president Logan Barker, and president Will Rose. Even though this was a strange school year with less events and activities, Student Council diligently worked to foster a sense of community to help us feel a little less isolated. Next year, they hope to continue leading morning announcements, listening to student concerns, and creating more opportunities to serve in order to encourage our student body. Thanks for a great year, Student Council, and keep up the good work, Warriors.
In addition, each year UCA honors 4 students from the upper school that have demonstrated a character worthy of recognition. These individuals embody virtue, emulate Christ, and walk in a manner worthy of praise. This year's recipients are Jake Kazimchek, Jacob Pilgreen, Emma Hazelden, and Will Rose, and in you we are well pleased.
It has been our pleasure this year to have each of these students as part of our UCA family. We appreciate all of you and your encouragement and support as we join together to educate and help cultivate character in each of these students. I'm excited for the future of UCA and I look forward to our continued partnership. Have a great summer.